I want to ask from all of you, do any one of you consume egg?
I do. 2 eggs a day.
What do you like about egg?
Taste, the consistency, the versatility. You can
Consistency,
make
yeah.
different textures, the scrambles, the omelets, the sunny side ups.
Okay.
I love eggs. I mean, in non-vegetarian food, that's like
It's also
my go-to.
protein
It's also
and
comfort
wholesome.
food.
Yeah, convenient. So, you know, like you, like me, there are a lot of millions of people who loves egg because of its taste, texture, nutrition, convenience. To produce just one egg, it requires 53 gallons of water, 8 yards of land, and 4 times of the protein egg itself have. In simple words, if you are eating one egg omelette, it equals to you are throwing 4 plant-based egg omelette that have same amount of protein.
Wow.
So at Plantish, we are making plant-based alternatives to egg. We want people to enjoy the same taste, same texture, same nutrition, same convenience, but at the same time, we are allowing them to experience eating healthy and sustainable food.
And is it the same amount of protein also that you're saying?
7.5 gram. Egg have around 5 to 6.
Can you tell me a little bit of detail on what does this look like? How does it feel?
So the first product that we are building is plant-based Crumble liquid. When you mix egg yolk and egg white, the liquid you get. And you can use it to make scramble, bhurji, omelette, or that kind of dishes you can make out of
So
it.
what will it be like? Like
It will be a liquid packed in a
okay.
pack.
That's what I...
So this is the first product.
If I did a blind taste test, would I know the difference?
Actually, currently, yes. But our aim is to give completely same taste.
I've been a vegan for 3 years. So my question to you is, the flavor profile is going to be the one most important item. If you want to flip Sarovar, Madhok and Malini to becoming an alternative egg eater, you have to make sure it looks, feels, smells, and then finally tastes exactly like an egg. Do you feel that your invention is going to be capable of doing that?
Yes. When we talk about taste, most of the companies are using similar kind of flavors.
Yeah.
But the bigger problem is the off flavor of other ingredients that they are using. So by now we have achieved, we are not getting any off flavor from other ingredients. We have tried flavors. It is coming good.
My question is, let's step back. What is it made from and how do you go about making it?
There are 2 things to make this product. First is the plant ingredients, extracting functional proteins out of...
Which plants?
We are using oil seeds.
Seeds.
Yeah,
Got it.
oil seeds we are
Okay.
using. Quality of protein is very good and very high in omega-3, 6 fatty
Okay.
acids as well.
Okay.
So we are extracting proteins from
seeds?
Yeah.
Got it.
And using these seeds and adding other ingredients
Okay.
and making the products.
It's a very interesting business model. But like in India, people are still fighting that the Anganwadi center should have 1 egg per child, Also, there is a huge protein deficiency issue. So how does one calibrate costs if you want the country also as a market?
When we talk about costing, there are 2 things, ingredients and process. Process you can decrease with time because when you achieve the economy of scale. Price of ingredients you can't decrease. You can't buy ingredients from farmers at a very cheaper rate. So we made sure our ingredients are economical. With time, we will streamline our process to make
economies
the
of
whole
scale.
thing. Yeah.
And that's the interesting part.
That's amazing.
That's the interesting part, right? It's only actually been looked at, technology has only looked at alternative sources for meat and dairy in the last 5, 7 odd years.
Yeah.
Give it another 20 years and where will we be?
Yeah.
I have a vegan stomach, but I don't have a vegan mind. That's my problem.
We will give you what you like.
So thank you, Ishu.
Yeah,
I
thank
think
you.
we have enough food for thought.
Thank you.